Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Getaway with Pam. Today we're back for another product review, and this product is the Bob and Brad Life Foot Massager. First, let me tell you about Bob and Brad, our favorite physical therapists. They are the founder or the creator of this product and other ergonomic products. They have 50 years combined experience in treating patients. So for sure, they know the products and the features that it's going to improve their patient and the athletic recovery. It is very lightweight. That's the power button. Let's try this. I've already plugged this on the wall. This is how far it can go. Once it's plugged in, you can see the red blinking lights. And there's the four easy to use controls. One thing I like on this one that's so special is I can remove this liner here so I can share it with my family or my friends. Just throw it on the laundry and then put it back. Really good for sanitation purposes. It's a good quality fabric material. You can really feel it. There's a little reminder here to put your foot on the center of the massage head or else you will feel discomfort. This fits size up to 12, men's size. I am only size 6, but it works for me. I've tried it for a week before I do this review. Here you can listen what's going on inside. It's quiet, it doesn't make a really loud noise, so this is so nice. So now it's on, and on this control you can customize the air intensity from low to high to the max, and then need intensity too. This is great for everyone, all family members. It's good for cold feet, long workouts, wearing high heels, and relieving work fatigue. I can really feel the soothing heat, which promotes blood circulation and relieves fatigue. It has two-level heat up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. You will really feel that someone is squeezing or kneading and doing the rolling. It's like masseuse or massage therapist is working on your feet. This feels really good. I am a massage therapist, and this is great for me because I can just share it to my family or my friends, and I'll save the work. Good thing is there is the controller. I can just lay down and I don't have to bend down just to control the intensity and the power button. Also, there is a 15-minute automatic shut-off timer. This is an amazing product. Customer reviews, it got 4.4 out of 5 stars. Modern style, it is not water resistant, and it's the technique on therapy is Shiatsu, which is my favorite of all the techniques in massage. Overall, the new Bob and Brad foot massager is really a great unit, especially if you want something that can help to relieve pain that you've been experiencing, especially if you have plantar fasciitis. It provides a focused, continuous massage with smooth rollers and 360-degree air compression. I like that it's compact and gives a customizable massage treatment that set it apart from other larger foot and cup massagers in the market. Although I have a small feet, the rollers and the compressors also hit all the right spots And I think you really enjoy being able to change the settings, customize it depending on your needs. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again on my next one. Bye.